How to fix YouTube is not available in this region. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app, scroll down and navigate to the option General. Now scroll down here over to the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected, disconnect to it. Then head back. Now scroll up, click on the option Date and Time. Enable for the option Set Automatically. Then you can head back. Now click on the option Language and Region. Click on the option Region. From the list of the region, set it to the region that you are currently living in. Then you can head back, close this, launch your App Store. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Click on your Apple ID. Your Face ID will be enabled. Now click on the option Country or Region. Now from the list of the country or region, set it to the one you are currently in. Then click on Done. Once you update these settings, you'll be good to go. Your YouTube should work. So this way you can easily fix YouTube is not available in this region issue. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.